As you may already know, the new Tesla Model 3 Highland does not come with a physical gear selector or turn signal indicator. Instead, you gotta go on the touch screen and make your gear selection, and for turn signal indicator, you have to press on little buttons that are embedded within the steering wheel. Well, this may be a great design choice for those of you who love the minimal interior of the Tesla, but a lot of people have been complaining in our channel and commenting on our video. Please come up with the physical gear stock as well as the turn signal indicator, and that is exactly what Tesla Studio did. This is a product listing from Tesla Studio, and we'll come back to the pricing and the discount code here in just a second. But if you look at the product itself, this is product in action, and they figured it out where the gear selection is just like the typical gear selection what we have seen in Model Y and Model 3, where you press up, it is reverse, pressing down, it is drive, pressing inward, it is park. And if we look at on the left side, you have got the turn signal indicators, the right turn, the left turn, and if you actually press it inward, you are going to activate the horn, and if you press it outward, you're going to have a high beam activation. You push it inside on that button, you have a windshield wiper activation. So you have got all of those features that we are used to seeing on other Tesla models now embedded for the Model 3 Highland. Now, I do not know exactly the details of how this is going to get installed, but just judging from what I see on the product listing and the picture that they have shared with me so far, it looks like you got to remove that back cover from the steering wheel panel. We have done that many times for instrument cluster display installed, and there's two independent stocks, one for the gear and one for the turn signal. They already got the microchip embedded within those stocks. Now you take a wiring from those stocks, install it on the back of the steering wheel panel, and route that wiring all the way to the front OBD port that is located on the footwell panel on the passenger side, and you should be able to just complete that circuit there. You may also need a 12-volt bypass, which is also located at the same location. We have again done this many times, and I assume the process is very similar, but I do not know that yet, and I will be making a follow-up video showing you all the detailed step-by-step installation guide and the product in action here soon. If we go back to the product listing page here, the pricing right now is $400 some, and if you hit add to cart and go to checkout, if you put a discount code Shiva Tesla, you should be able to save significant amount of money. We are not paid or sponsored by Tesla Studio. We will make a small commission from the sales if you use our discount code Shiva Tesla, which saves you money and in return greatly helps us bring videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts about this product. Are you excited if you are a Model 3 Highland owner, or do you like the already minimalist interior of the Model 3 Highland and you do not need any of this physical button? Please let me know in the comment section below. Any thoughts, any questions, comments, feedback, please include all of those in the comment section. I've asked Tesla Studio to monitor the comment section for your feedback as well. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. We cover a lot of Tesla accessories in this channel, and please come back again for another Tesla video soon.